Hi, welcome to Stampin' Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how I made these canvas wall art lights. All they are plain white canvases that have not been painted or anything, so they're just plain canvases straight from the packaging, and I've cut flowers from them and pushed the flowers so that they stick out a little bit and light comes through them. Now my canvases have been hardwired to the wall because I live with an electrician. My husband is really good at stuff like that. So I have RGB LEDs all running around the edge of the canvas. So you can actually get ones, you can get kits from, I know in Australia Bunnings have them, so some hardware stores, and they come with, like, they just plug into a regular power point, but they also come with a little remote control, so you can change the color, any colors you like. You can you pick your little color off of the remote control. So they're available from Bunnings in Australia. So I'm not sure where overseas you could get those, but definitely check out your local hardware store. Now, if you are looking for a bit of a cheaper alternative, you could also get some of these little battery operated Christmas lights, and they have different modes on them, so I'm not sure which way. There we go. So you can just turn them all the way on, or you can have them blinking, and just simply strap them, just run lines of them behind your canvas, and you'll get a sort of a similar look. The first step to the project is to design what you're going to cut out of the canvas. I made this in Photoshop, and I just used various clip arts and flower brushes and things like that, and just worked my way up the shape and just added the flowers as I saw fit. And it doesn't have to look great. You know, you don't need perfect resolution and things like that, because it's just like a stencil anyway. So once you've got your design, reverse it so that it is the mirror image of what you want to cut. So when you turn it over, when you turn the canvas over and look through the canvas, you'll be able to see the design the way that you actually want it cut on the canvas. So it needs to be the reverse. Then take a sharp knife, a sharp craft knife, and start cutting. So when you're cutting with a craft knife, don't cut the entire flower shape, because if you break it from the area around, the whole flower is going to come out, and you really just want the leaves to pop out. But the trick to cutting precisely with a craft knife is just to take it slow and always pull the craft knife back in towards yourself. So if that means moving your project around 1,000 times just to cut one flower, just go with it, just do it. And you'll notice I'm going really slow with this because I want to make it precise. I don't want to make a mistake. Okay, so I've skipped ahead so you don't have to sit there and watch me cut everything, but this is the first flower, and on the front side of the canvas you can just go through and pull these little bits up and get a bit of an idea of how the design is going to look. And with the rest of this flower, I'm actually going to cut some more little holes in it just to give it a little bit more detail. I'm not going to go as detailed as the picture is, because it's not going to, the canvas won't hold together enough. It's probably going to break if I make such precise little cuts. So the trick is now just to continue cutting around all of the flowers. If you choose a really big design like I have, you're probably going to be sitting here for a while. So so maybe if you don't think you have the time to do it, you could always just try it on a smaller project first.